Get into a car with value. 2019 Chevrolet Traverse. With less than 45,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Answer the call for adventure in comfort and style in the bold, spacious Traverse. Its quiet cabin, flexible cargo storage, safety features, connectivity, and all-weather capabilities infuse every drive with confidence. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated driver's seat, keyless entry, remote engine start, power liftgate, fog lamps, dual zone AC, power driver's seat, electronic stability control, third row seat, intermittent wipers. Stay calm, traverse on. Take a test drive.